I'm Chef Christina Xenos. Welcome to Complete Greek, presented by the Center for Culinary Culture and sponsored by Melissa's Produce. Here we tell the story of traditional Greek cuisine, one dish at a time. Are you ready to cook? Let's go! Roasted lemon, chicken, and potatoes is one pan of comfort food common to families throughout Greece and the diaspora. Chicken, potatoes, lemon, oregano, and olive oil are all classic components of Greek cooking, and they all come together to make a savory, comforting meal in this recipe. It's one I love to make with my family, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. Let's go. In a large bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper. Combine chicken with the marinade, cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to as long as overnight. When you're ready to cook, preheat the oven to 475 degrees and cut potatoes into wedges. Remove chicken from the marinade, reserve the marinade. Place chicken skin side up in the roasting pan. Toss potatoes in the reserved marinade. Transfer potatoes to the roasting pan. Arrange with chicken. Pour in excess marinade and chicken broth. Roast at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Lower heat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roast for 20 minutes until the chicken pieces register 165 degrees Fahrenheit on the breast. It's okay if the legs and thighs register up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve chicken with potatoes. Spoon sauce from the pan over both. Garnish with additional lemon. We hope you enjoyed this edition of Complete Greek and encourage you to follow the Center for Culinary Culture on social media. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Eats Drinks TV. You can also find this recipe, among others, on mysweetgreek.com. Until next time, yamas!